Hi everyone, join with me. Okay, what am I saying? Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, please. I talk about a bunch of different topics: increasing your credit score, paying down debt, entrepreneurship, side hustles, and everything between. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so right now. I have a great video for you today, and for all of my retail arbitrage people and all my people that are out there trying to hustle, and or even those who are trying to find a new side hustle, I got one for you. Go ahead and click that like button and let's get into the video. Okay, we're back. So I have 3 websites that I want to show you, and I have a technique for this first one. So the first website on here, if you're looking for items to sell, if you're trying to find items to sell and you don't know where to go, I'm giving you 3 websites right now. Go ahead and take a look at this video, and please watch it till the end. That's a great way to support me, is watching my videos till the end. Okay, so here I go. So the first website is eBay. You're probably thinking, oh my God, another eBay video. No eBay video. I'm just showing you a technique, something that I would like to share with you that might be very simple, and you might say, oh well, what's the big idea? If you're looking for a wholesale, or you're looking for not necessarily wholesale, but you're looking for a group of items to buy at one time instead of buying them individually, and you're looking to resell those items, here is my idea. I already wrote lots of, so that's really my technique. So let's see if it works. If you're looking for a bunch of items to sell of a particular item, and you want to get a bunch of items to sell and you're looking to buy them right now, go ahead and type lot of and then decide what you want to buy. So I would say a lot of, and let's pick Pokemon cards because they're very popular right now. So let's look over here. Lot of 100 official TCG. So I'm not an expert on Pokemon cards, so I'm just telling you what I search for is what I'm pulling up. So a lot of cards. So 100 official TCG cards. I'm no experts, but I can get 100 of those cards and sell them individually. Right? So that's the concept. So let's keep going. A lot of old Pokemon cards. So this is old Pokemon cards, and they're pre-owned. So $22.11. So we can keep going. There's a bunch of Pokemon cards, okay? So you get the gist. So let's go back up and let's remove Pokemon cards. Let's type in the first one that comes up, laptops. A lot of laptops. Okay. So a lot of 5 Lenovo ThinkPad laptops for $199. Okay, 160 gigabyte. These might not be the best. These might be some older versions. Fine, but if you think about it, let's go ahead and take a look here. Excuse me. So $199, okay, divided by is $39.80. So let's round up. $40. Probably pay some tax. So let's just say $40. $40 per laptop. Can you sell this for, if you bought it and you resold it, can you sell it for $80 or $50 per laptop? Yeah, you can totally do that. I'm just trying to give you a way to look for a bulk of items, buy them at one time, get a free shipping or a cheap shipping cost, and be able to sell them individually. So I hope you understand that concept, what I'm trying to say here. There's tons of other things that we can search. So let's scrap the laptops and try jewelry, or let's try watches. So this one says vintage ladies quartz watches, a lot of 10. I mean, $10 you can sell each one. I mean, it depends. So there's a bunch of watches. Use watch lot of 4 assorted Timex in, okay, let's take a look at this one. Indiglo men's watches. How much does one of these retail for? So let's click on that image. It tells you the retail. $59.95. So one of them retails for $59.95. This person has 4 watches. I mean, if you really think about it, if you bid, this is a bid and it's going to be done in 6 days. Let's say it's still $19.95, and you cut it and you bid and you bid it for, let's say, $20. You're paying $20 plus $7 shipping and then some other fees. Let's say it runs it up to $30, $40. $40 for 4 watches. That's $10 a piece. You can sell that at a higher price point and still make a good profit. This is where I'm going with it, and hopefully you caught on and now you know my trick. I like to share my tricks and hints with you guys because I know other people will benefit from it. Now, moving on from this, I hope you enjoy that. Now let's go ahead and look at the two websites for looking up kind of large quantity items. So let's take a look at this website. It's called Bulk. BULQ, bulk. I think I probably did a video on this before, but if I have not, here we go. So this website, it says here, inventory made easy, sourcing options for every business and budget. So you can scroll down. There is no fee for this website. So it says when you buy from Bulk, you have photos, you have everything. There is a box, a condition, a category, a price point for every reseller out there. So there's a bunch of things on here that you can look at. So let's go ahead and take a look at the categories. So these are the categories of items that they sell. Let's take a look at the computers in office. And so it loads all the computers in office. There's 114 lots. That's the amount of lots that are available. And then individually, it will show you on here, if you take a look where my mouse is pointing, it says uninspected returns. So these returns were returned, these items were returned, and they were not inspected. There is a case of 21 items. So we're talking about 21 items, and this is the amount that they're charging, $2,618, ground shipping included. View case. So you can click on view case and take a look at the contents. Now, I am not going to look at those. I want to look at the smallest amount of money I want to put up front. So I don't want to look at the largest, there's $13,000, $7,000, $4,000, way over the budget. I'm going to take a look at low to high. So we see here there's $78 plus the freight shipping that you would have to pay. But if you take a look at here, it says furniture and decor, office. So it says scratch and dent. The items might have a scratch and dent on it. There's five items in there. And if you take a look here at the bottom, you can download the complete manifest. And the manifest will tell you the brand, product name, category, UPC, ASIN number, and the quantity. And so you can go through each of these items and do your searches on Google and just make sure that is worth buying. You can review the information on here and it'll tell you the original retail value, but you can also do your own research and determine what the retail value would be. So this website is great for looking at different categories and seeing what's really out there. There's tons of information on here, tons of different lots if you wanted to take a look at it. A good way to buy products and resell. Now, not everything on here is a good deal. You would have to do your research. Research is important. You can also click on price drops and you can see the items recently were price drops. So maybe they were on here way too long, or maybe it's taking too long for them to sell, and so they've given a discount to move the product along. So this is a really good website. It's good to take a look at. Now that's my second website. I'm going to show you a third one. Liquidation.com. So you probably heard of this. For those of you who have not, it's a good idea to take a look at what's on here because there's plenty of items to sell. And you can, like on here, it shows you these are items that you can bid on. So let's click on this one. So this one is home decor. There's a nightstand, dining chair. Manufacturer retail price is $2,520. It tells you what the current bid is. That is Canadian money, and I think this is the US dollars. So there you go. And then you can click on view manifest, or you can scroll down and look at the information here. So there is a lot of information here. If you look down even further, it'll tell you the total weight, and then it'll tell you the minimum shipping fee and the shipping terms, zip code. There's a ton of stuff. So this is a nice way to start looking into bulk buying and buying in bulk, either from bulk.com or from liquidation.com. It will give you a lot of information. And if we go, you can click on lot size, you can click on brands and retailers. Like if you only want Amazon products, you can click on Amazon. There's a bunch of information on here. And if you continue to scroll, you can find the kind of products that you're looking for, and you can just do your own research. If you're looking, even if you don't want to look up, you know how much you're going to be spending or how much you're thinking about spending, you can just click on that price point and click on it, and it will narrow it down. It makes things a lot easier. So this is a very good liquidation marketplace to look at, as well as bulk. They both are really good websites. So I'm glad I was able to show you this website. You can take a look at it, go through it. You can add to your watch list. You can compare to others. There's just so much information and things that you can look on here and kind of review and see if this is the best thing for you to do. Back to what I was saying, you can also go back to the first website, eBay, and let's type in lot of returns. Now, these are custom returns. There's Amazon returns. There's a bunch of different, if you type it in, you can see the list that comes down here. And I just wanted to show you what happens when you type that in. Let's click on Amazon. Now, if you do this on eBay, it will show you Amazon returns and a lot of 10 items. So there's people that buy pallets of it who might break it down and say, hey, I'll give you these 10 items. So you'll see that that's $60 for 10 items. There is wholesale of 50 plus items. It's $21.99. You can resell. Let's take a look at that. There's chargers, there's phone information. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff. Now, if you go to Amazon customer returns, lot of 12 items. So you can get small box electronic items and you can sell that. You can purchase that and resell. So there's a ton of ways of getting a bulk amount of or a lot of items and reselling it. So don't just think that, hey, I have to pay a fee up front to join this club or to join this website or membership. There are other ways of going around it. So if you're thinking about doing this, go ahead and take a look at eBay and do your research on there and search lots of. Also search Amazon or store returns, and then also look at bulk and bulk.com and liquidations.com. So I've given you some really good resources. Go ahead and take a look at that and see what items you can buy and resell today. There's so many ways to make income on the side. You just have to hustle and hustle hard. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click that thumbs up and please subscribe for future videos. I'll see you in the next one.